Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're working on 3 of my Schefflera Bonsai. They're horribly neglected, so they're in dire need of some cleaning up. But before we start, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate it. Let's get right into it. Alright guys, so on this smaller tree, I'm just going to do a light trimming to get the tree back into shape. So I'll be pruning back the longer branches and removing a lot of the foliage and the branches on the lower portion of the tree, so that we can reveal more of the trunk line. So just a little bit of a haircut. Alright, so I think I'm happy with what it looks like right now, so we'll just stop right here and move on to the next tree. Alright guys, so this tree is a mess and I really don't like how I currently have the tree positioned, so I may reposition the tree come next spring and just have it a little bit more upright. I think the tree will look a little bit better, positioned more upright, sort of like this, and just have the branches sort of wire down a little bit. But that's just something I'll do next spring. I'm not going to do any repot right now. Alright guys, so this last one is also quite a bit of a mess. It was pretty badly scorched during the summertime, so I just sort of left it alone to let it grow and recovers. But it's pretty healthy now, and we got all these long and lanky branches that we are going to have to prune out quite a bit, and so that's what I'm gonna do, and then we'll just go from there. Alright guys, so I think I'm good with that, and we'll just have to start back from, it's not really start from scratch, but this way we can start building back up again, and we can get better ramifications. And I'll keep you guys updated on this tree. So if you haven't yet, make sure to like and subscribe to my channel, so you can follow me on my progress and all my trees. I'm thinking of like removing that part right there, but I'll just leave it for now. Alright guys, I appreciate you guys watching. Take care, and until next time.